Hey everyone, and welcome to today's unboxing video. My name is Thomas and I am from D1 Store, Australia's first and only DJI Authorised Retail Store. Today we're having our first look at the Osmo Action 3. Now this awesome new action camera takes all the best parts of the Action 2 and the Action 1 and combines them into one awesome new hybrid camera. So let's dive right in and see exactly what we get with the new Action 3. Now today we'll be unboxing the Osmo Action Standard Kit. Now this is also available in the Osmo Action Adventure Combo. Now the Adventure Combo comes with the additional batteries, the battery charging case, and of course the extension rod. So let's dive right in and see what we have here today. Obviously we have the camera itself, which also has the detachable lens, just like the Action 1 did, which is really good because as someone who skateboards, let me tell you, if you're into action sports, it's entirely likely you will crack your lens at some stage, so the ability to swap it out for a new one really easily is fantastic. We also have, of course, our Type-C charging cable. We have the camera frame kit as well. This is your traditional action camera mount. And then, of course, we have our sticky pad as well. One of the great things about the Action 3 is that it can use all of your Action 2 accessories or Action 1 accessories. Now what I mean by that is the modular design of the Action 2 is no longer present, but you can still use those mounting systems either vertically or you can put them straight on the bottom of the Action 3 itself. Now that's awesome because if you've got original Action 1 accessories, you can use these here. And if you've got any Action 2 ones, they will also connect to that magnetic system as well, which is fantastic. We have a 1/1.7 inch CMOS sensor that can do 4K video at 120 frames a second with Rock Steady on. Now just like the Action 1, we have Rock Steady 3 and Horizon Steady for that really advanced stabilizing algorithm. The Osmo Action 3 can also do 240 frames a second in full HD, which is fantastic for super slow-mo, for things like skateboarding or anything that you want to look really dramatic. Instead of having to use the touchscreen module for a selfie-facing screen on the Osmo Action 2, with the Action 3 it is all inbuilt. Similar to the Action 1 design, it's got a screen on the front and the back, and you can easily swap between the two. The Action 2 was such a fantastic camera in terms of its size and portability, but one of the downsides was it did not have a removable battery. This meant if you were out and about shooting whatever you might be shooting, and then you did run out of battery in either the top module or the bottom power module, you could have been a little bit stuck. With the Action 3, they've gone back to the original Action 1 design with the removable batteries. With the Action 2, only the top module was actually waterproof, but with the Action 3, the entire camera is waterproof to 16 meters. There's also a deep dive housing coming out later, which will allow you to drop to an astonishing 60 meters maximum depth. The Action 3 can be used in all conditions, be that land, snow, sea, whatever you like. It's waterproof, and you can even take it to the snow to temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius. Well, that is our first look at the DJI Osmo Action 3. We have these available in both the standard kit and the adventure combo. You can also check out our awesome bundles on our website that come with third-party accessories like SD cards, extension rods, handles, all sorts of essential add-ons to get the most out of this awesome product. Well, thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you at the next unboxing video. Bundles that come with things like accessories, oh my god, sorry, just keep going. I will get it.